Hello, in this example we are going to see how we can get tag name of a web element. So here we are opening page and then we are selecting AB test link on the page. Here we can see, so that's a locator for AB testing link, and then we are getting its tag name property using the Selenium way test.find element dot tag name property, and we have nRoBo method tag name that we can use as well. That is a shortcut to Selenium longer way. So let's run the test, and test started running. And browser instance one up, opening this site and getting the tag property of AB test link. Let's open the report and see tag is A because it's a link. Thank you.